Hey, it's Adam, the fun homeowner here, and a few years ago I got into LEDs and started putting some in my media room, my gaming room, and I would do these strips around the ceiling, but there wasn't any diffusion. And then I had a bunch of people online saying, oh my gosh, it looks like a teenage girl's room. Can you do something a little bit more professional? And I'm like, I just spent money on the LED strips. And I actually have another pack right here of 100 feet, so which has been like sitting for 18 months or so. So I haven't even put it in. And it has a channel inside of it, and it has the LEDs that sit inside. It has the diffuser that goes, and it's supposed to make it look super even. Of course, these photos make it look dead even. But what will it look like when it goes in the media room? And why do I want Govee products in there? Because I have a ton of Govee products in there, and one of the absolute most amazing features is Dream View, in which you can theme 20 devices at one time, all on the same scene, all on the same color pattern. You can also use Music Sync, which I have 2 Music Sync boxes, and I think I can control up to 12 devices on that, all syncing and beating and playing with the gaming music or whatever music I'm listening to, or gaming sounds or whatever music I'm listening to. This one uses 48 watts. This uses the double the wattage of that. These are RGBIC, which means any color along the entire strip, any LED can be, and any brightness. You can adjust it from 1% all the way up to 100%. Tons of scenes built in. Really easy to add these lights. You open the Govee app in the top right corner. There's a plus sign. You will see something pop up at the top. In this case, we've got either H61B6 or H61B5. And then you can rename it to whatever you want. So I will put in gaming ceiling lights, 1 and 2. And because these are the same product, you can add them into a group and control them as one. So you don't have to go into both devices and change the settings. You can add them as a group together and control them together, even though one's longer and one's shorter. Okay, these are the corner pieces. One's for an inside corner, one's for an outside corner. I recommend you start there. I just think it's a good spot. But you may want to start in the middle. I don't know. Take your pick. I don't know why I was sweating so much going up and down the ladder trying to get these strips in. So this is what it starts to look like once you've got all the strips. Then the LED goes in. This little clip snaps it in place. There's no adhesive on the back of the LED. You can cut it wherever you want, every 3 inches. You can see these little scissor marks. I trimmed about 8 inches or 9 inches off of mine, so it ended directly in a corner. You can see the cover fits the channel perfectly. That's why you can mount it directly to the ceiling and the cover will still snap on. This is what the cover looks like in place. It's actually really nice looking. Now I want to show the light to you on. It's very even, very clear, and you're like, well, where are the hot spots? The only time I can see hot spots is when I go down low and look up, and just faintly at the edge I can see some hot spots. Let's go in the app. Okay, so let's do some colors first. You can see both of them will get connected here, and then I'll be able to change the colors. That's just white. You know, you can see red, you can see yellow, we can see blue. I just want to demonstrate the white color changing real quick. So this is the middle whiteness. You can go very cool, or you can move it all the way over and get it very Edison bulb-like. Let's talk about the music feature. This is sound sync. So when you talk, when you make noise, it's going to bounce to that beat. There are 11 different options on how the lights will react to whatever you're saying. Okay, now we're in the Dream View function. Okay, so once we apply this, all of the lights in the room, not just those glide lights. I have 20 different devices in this room that are connected to Dream View. And what's so great about this is every single light color will theme up based on whatever pattern you pick.